where you stood that evening in the night. It's not